Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided low updo. We're going to start by taking a small slice of hair from both sides of the head and then bringing these around to the back of the head but over to the right hand side and securing them with a clear elastic band. Next I'm going to take a topsy tail tool and I'm just going to pop this behind that section on the left hand side, and I'm just going to take a 1-inch section of hair that's hanging down and we're going to bring it behind the handle of the topsy tail tool, up and through the middle of the loop, and then you just pull the ends all the way through. I pop the topsy tail tool behind that left hand section. This time I'm going to take a new section but also incorporate the tail ends of the first section, and again we're going to bring it behind the handle of the topsy tail tool and then bring that up and through the middle of the loop and pull it all the way through. And I'm just going to show you one more time before I speed this up. So pop the topsy tail tool behind that left hand section, take your previous tail ends plus a new 1-inch section of hair, and we're going to pass all of those behind the handle of the topsy tail tool and up and through the middle of the loop, and then just pull those tail ends all the way through. And basically we're just going to repeat this pattern until we get to that small elastic band on the right hand side. Once you've reached that elastic band, we're going to gather all that hair that's hanging down together and we're going to split it into 3 equal sections, and we're simply going to do a 3-strand braid all the way to the end of the hair and then tie it off with another clear elastic band. Now take some texture spray, again I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and we're going to spray that all over the top of the head and down that braid. Pinch and pull at the hair at the crown to give it some volume. And then we're just going to pinch and pull on the edge of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Okay, take hold of that braid and then just flip it over the top of that style we've already done and secure it on the right hand side with a bobby pin. Wrap the ends of the braid around your finger and then just pin it to the head with a few more bobby pins. Add a couple of bobby pins through the length of that braid to keep it secure, and then just fluff out the edges until you're happy with the look. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.